How to make a video script using ChatGPT. First of all, simply open the ChatGPT application, or you can just head over to the browser and use ChatGPT from the browser also if you don't have the application. Now, to make a video script with ChatGPT, you need to give it a highly specific prompt that outlines your topic, target audience, platform, duration, and desired tone. Like if you just tell it the topic, the result won't be that good. Now start by just typing the script, or you can just use the audio feature. Type, "Hey ChatGPT, help me make a video on moon," and just click on send, and it will give you a few ideas. You can scroll it down, and as you can see, the script doesn't look too much promising because our description is just a general one, not too detailed. Now we can just tweak it by again asking it, "Hey, I want to make a video on moon, but I need to make it a video about the moon cycle. Tell me a complete script. How can I make it interesting? The audience are younger audience. The video duration must be around 5 to 8 minutes. And tell me about how to introduce the video, the hook, and the outro also." And just hit send. And as you can see, the results are already coming in. The more detailed or specific your title is, it will directly say, like the hook, in the 30-second you can just tell this, and after that, so timelines of the moon changing phases, the main script, and it is also segmented part 1, part 2, part 3, and the different types. And scroll down and you will see the fun facts like that to keep the audience engaging, and the ending. So in this way you can easily create an attractive video. And that's it for the video, guys. In this way you'll be able to make video script for any kind of topics using ChatGPT. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.